Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Okay, so in this video I'll be talking about the what are the important books you should refer for your preparation throughout the year. Okay, and which book you should study for the more concept clarity, and which book you should refer for the numerical solving. Okay, so let's get started. So before that, just quick introduction of a GATE Aerospace exam. So GATE generally tests your how much conceptual knowledge you are having, and at the end, ultimately, it's all boils down to all the concepts. Whatever you have learned will boils down to the numerical solving ability. How much you are able to solve the quantitative numericals, right? So that's the funda. Okay, and you should follow the right books. That's the key thing, right? And I will suggest that please start solving PYQ questions for your practice. Okay, so let's start this. So let's start with the fluid mechanics. So I have kept two books. Okay, and these are the well famous book for the fluid mechanics through for even for mechanical and many civil engineering. Those area also follow this book for fluid mechanics. Okay, so you should go with the fluid mechanics by the FM White. These are the well-known book. Everyone knows this. And second one is fluid mechanics fundamental and application by Senjal and Sinbala. Okay, so you should you should refer these two books for the fluid mechanics. And to be honest, fluid mechanics generally ask for some time, even for 1 mark, or sometime they can go till 4 marks. So you can see the importance and weightage of these subjects. Okay, so this book you can refer, and if you want to do question practice, you can refer this book. Okay, this book also is having good number of questions, so you can do this, and you can also find out the solution manual for these two books. So unsolved problem, you can also do practice and cross check your answers. Okay, let's move to the aerodynamics now. Aerodynamics is again a well-known famous book by John D. Anderson. Okay, so the first I have kept this. Then introduction to flight. Okay, this is also important for aerodynamics. So many things are hidden in this book. Okay, so you can also refer this, and all these three books. Okay, all these three books are having good number of numerical problems, so you can refer this. Okay, and at the end, this theoretical and experimental aerodynamics by Mrinal Kaushik. So this is Dr. Mrinal Kaushik, professor in the IIT Kharagpur. Okay, so this is a well-known book again, having good concepts and good number of questions for practice. Okay, so you can refer this. Okay, let's move to the gas dynamics. So with this, you can also follow the sequence. Okay, so generally I refer students if they ask for the sequence, what sequence we should start the GATE preparation. So I suggest them that you first start with the fluid mechanics, then go for the aerodynamics. Then these are fluid mechanics and aerodynamics. These are incompressible flow, low speed aerodynamics, and then I suggest them then you should go with the gas dynamics. So gas dynamics is the compressible flow, so you should start with the incompressible flow, then go to the compressible flow, which is gas dynamics. Then your propulsion will help because all the gas dynamic equations will help you to understand the propulsion and rocket propulsion. Okay, so that's the sequence, so you can follow this. Okay, so for gas dynamics, you can refer, this is again John D. Anderson, modern compressible flow. I think 4th edition, latest edition they are having, you can download. Okay, then gas dynamics by Radhakrishnan. Then fundamentals of compressible flow by SM Yahya. Then fundamental of gas dynamics by Zucker and Biblars. Okay, you can refer these 4 books, and again these 4 books are having ample amount of numerical for practice, and even the solution manuals are present in the internet. Okay, so you can download and you can have the good numbers of questions for the practice. Okay, then this book specifically I'll suggest that you can refer this. This is IIT Kanpur professor book. As of now, this professor is retired, but the book is very good. Good numbers of questions and gate oriented questions, you will find this. Okay, so I think this is good enough for gas dynamics. Now let's focus on the propulsion. So propulsion is having these 3 books I have kept. You will find many other books, you can refer this, but these 3 books are the ideal for the gate preparation. Gas turbine for the by the Cohen and Roger, this book, and then aircraft propulsion by the Faruqi, and the gas turbine theory by the V Ganeshan. Okay, so I'll suggest that for your turbo machinery, you should refer this V Ganeshan book. Okay, IIT Madras professor. This V Ganeshan is IIT Madras professor, so you can refer this. Okay, so I'll again suggest one more thing, that don't refer the Indian author book as of now. Like you might have seen SS Ratan, RK Rajput, and many the SS Ratan, Khurmi, Ramamurthy. Don't refer this book. Okay, those are not the ideal book for the GATE preparation. Okay, so I suggest that don't refer those books. If you want the Indian book authors, please refer the IIT professor's book. That is the more beneficial. Okay, okay, so this is okay. Now I have kept this slide for the, if you want for the practice of the question, you can refer my test series. Okay, so this is 3rd edition of the test series. You can refer those. This is the complete package. Okay, in that you will find the subject wise, topic wise, and combined subject test, then the full length mock test. Okay, so I have kept this. You can visit the website. I'll provide the link in the end. Okay, so now before that also I have provided the free test. Okay, for your if you want to check how the portal look like, what is the interface, how the interface look like, whether the virtual calc is present or not, how the timers look like. So it is exactly similar to the GATE interface. So you can have a free trial, okay, before going for the full complete test series. Okay, now for the rocket propulsion, you can refer the P. Sharton. Okay, this is again the famous book for the rocket propulsion. Okay, now the space mechanics, orbital mechanics for engineering students by Curtis, you can refer this. Okay, then yeah, aircraft structure. Okay, so for aircraft structure, for specifically for the aircraft structure, so if I tell you aircraft structure is the subject which consists your aircraft structure plus strength of material. Okay, so these 5 books cover both aircraft structure and strength of material. Okay, so aircraft structure, which deals with the thin walled beam. Okay, well-known book again, T.H. Maction. Okay, you can refer this. And okay, then you can refer the strength of material by the Timoshenko. These are again ideal book. Even mechanical civil student refer this. Then mechanics of material by Gare and Goodenough. This is again famous book. Then mechanics of material by these 4 professors. Okay, these are the 4 professors. They have written this book. You can refer this. Then mechanics of material by this one. Okay, Hibler. You can refer this. Okay, so this is for the aircraft structure, consisting your also considering the strength of material. Okay, strength of material. Okay, now let's see the vibration. Again, I have kept the 4 book. If you want to go with the one book, then this SS Rao is more than enough. Okay, so mechanical vibration by the SS Rao, then mechanical vibration by the GK Grover. Okay, mechanical vibration by the VP Singh, again famous book. Then mechanical vibration by this one. Okay, now let's see the airplane performance. So again, well-known famous book, everyone know this, John D. Anderson. So airplane performance and design by the John D. Anderson. Again, this is all the books are available in the internet. You can easily download the PDFs. Okay, then introduction to the flight by John D. Anderson. Okay, then airplane performance for engineering approach by Muhammad. Okay, so you can refer these books. Okay, all the books are having good numbers of numericals. You can also refer. Solved problems are also there, so you can refer those. Okay, now let's see the stability and control. And this is again now the well-known book by Nelson. So you can refer this for even for static stability and the dynamic stability. All the topics covers by this book. Okay, and if you want the precise study material lectures, then I suggest that famous NPTEL lecture by A.K. Ghosh sir. You can refer this. This is perfect lecture, NPTEL lecture for the GATE preparation. Ideal lecture series, I'll say. Even for airplane performance they are having. Okay, and for stability and control they are having. So you can refer this. You can search on the internet or YouTube. You will find this easily. So this will be best. Now let's see the engineering mechanics. So engineering mathematics. So this advanced engineering mathematics by Rivik. Okay, then B.S. Garewal. You can refer these 2 books. Then for general aptitude, these 3 books are there. Okay, if you want to refer some other, that is also fine. So let's end up this video. So this is the website. If you want to visit, you can have a visit on this, and you can see the test series. These are my contact details. You can contact us. Feel free to contact us, and these are the mail ID. Okay, if you are having any doubt, query, you can contact us on these numbers. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you very much, and stay focused and keep learning. Okay, bye.